So this is going to be part 2. This is the last of my order from last episode, came in today. And 2 drives I've actually already opened the box for. They're these 2 right here. We'll review those in just a second once we unpack these. Just a note, keeping my address off screen. FedEx destroyed this box, so hopefully nothing bad has happened. Packaged just like the last one. This one here is another IMI. This one is a 5012H. There's a better view of that, I guess. This looks like it's been outside for a while. Doesn't look like it's in that good a shape, but we'll see. I can tell you right now that this is the one that broke. Yeah, that one took a big hit to the faceplate, sadly. There's a lot of little chunks still strewn about in there, including the standoffs for the PCB. So that's not a fantastic start. We may pull the lid on this one just to make sure everything's, not horrible. Well, here is the better of the 2 IMIs. Shocker, it does exactly the same thing the other ones did. This drive was not part of that order, but I did actually buy this on eBay, and it was supposed to come in the same day. This is a Mitsubishi MR535. This drive I've already tested, and it does work. So yep, that one's working. And this is the other eBay drive. This is an Atasi 3046, and it does not work, and I have not been able to resuscitate it. And that's all it does. Between the last 2 videos, I had one of these mini scribes open, the one with the broken seal, and it appears to work kinda. I think it has a controller level problem. And I had one of the 5018s open. This is the worst of the bunch, and it was actually missing the microcontroller, if you recall. This drive I've actually repaired into a working state, kinda, sorta. It's for how long is up to debate. You can see that documented in the Discord, but it is a crazy story, and hopefully I'll get to share a similar story like that with these drives, which I plan to do a major repair series on. Not this Atasi. I don't think I can get it working, but we'll see. Probably not this drive either, because I don't think this one's going to work again. We'll check, though. But it is working despite water damage and a head crash, so keep an eye out for that. You'll see that probably pretty soon. Let's go ahead and yank the cover off this one and see how bad the carnage is. Right off the bat, this controller card is actually only being held in by the connector on the bottom that sandwiches the 2 boards together. So that's fun. Everything else is broken or gone. Can't wait to fix that. So I pulled the faceplate off just to get out of the way, and the casting for the chassis is actually broken multiple places, which that's going to be a lot of not fun. In case you were wondering how to disassemble these drives, it's just the perimeter screws. There are no hidden screws on these. So we're going to yank the cover and see how bad it is inside. Junk. Immediately, it's junk. Yeah, that's trashed. Oh wow, that's trashed. So it had a head crash at some point. This drive is not in good shape. Let's hook it up and see what it does. Well, almost. Sounds awful. It initialized. Oh, you can see that though. Yeah, that's real good. Can you tell this drive is junk? Just gonna go ahead and cut that before it sends parts through my neck. Yeah, that's pretty bad. And that happened as we were sitting there watching it. Fun stuff. Fun stuff. So this drive is junk. Luckily, obviously, I have a bunch more of these. But it would be nice to have gotten my money's worth out of it. So, well, that's probably going to be it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good afternoon.